Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow. On the application of Duolingo, we go to settings. In this first page here of settings, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.